Hey guys, Texas Garden Guy here, and today we're going to talk about greenhouse and freeze protection. So there's a couple different greenhouses you can go with. This is my newest greenhouse. It is a actual greenhouse structure. You can see the metal frame and the polycarbonate panels. This is a very affordable option. I think I paid less than $400 for this kit, and I keep all of my cactus, my succulents, plumerias, things like that. They will not handle the freeze very well. You do have to heat this when it gets cold. I do put a little space heater out here that is waterproof. Make sure you use a GFCI for all that. But things like cactuses, succulents, your desert roses, your plumerias, you definitely want to protect those from a freeze anytime we're going to get that cold, which is not very often here in Houston. But there's another option. If you don't want a big structure like this, you can either get a pop-up one like this over here that just goes up and you put a tarp over it, or even a bigger version like this one. This is my 12 by 20 greenhouse. I keep the frame up year round, but I only put the plastic tarp up in the end walls when we're gonna get cold. So this is where I keep all my citrus trees, a lot of my hanging baskets. You can see a lot of my desert roses and cactus that are in here, especially the citrus. We've got a lot of lemons and got some calamundins right here. These are really good, really sour little citruses right here. And it's funny, a lot of things will start to fruit and ripen over winter. So if you can protect them and keep them warm, they'll do even better. So having a little pop-up greenhouse is not the worst investment. If you spend all this money on stuff like citrus and things that'll freeze back, having a little pop-up greenhouse is not the worst investment in the world.